We are looking at how to pronounce the name of this Japanese public multinational conglomerate corporation, primarily known as a manufacturer of automobiles, motorcycles, and power equipment. In Japanese, its name is usually pronounced as Honda, Honda. Therefore, in English, it is usually said as Honda, Honda automobiles, Honda cars, motorcycles, and equipment. Did you get it? Let me know in the comments. Honda. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more car brand names and Japanese brand names whose pronunciations aren't exactly always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more.